Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So today I am with a new initiative that has been started by Government of India. So this is a very good program. Like it is also like a employment short-term employment opportunity for you all. So since many students were requiring our messaging me to give any sort of videos with respect to short-term recruitment also also, so I thought of doing this video. And see, this is not a thing that you just need to sit and do the work. It is so much creative and so much of interactive sessions will be present with respect to this job. Okay, so I'll explain you how the complete picture of this job, what is this kind of job and what is the payment that will be provided. And before that, if please share this video, because there are many students who will be waiting for this kind of opportunity, because this is a unique type of opportunity. Because as I said, this is very unique and it provides you exposure towards the government also. Now let us see what is this program is all about. So it is a LAMP fellowship. So legislative assistance to member of parliament fellowship is a uniquely and an exciting opportunity for young Indians to learn lawmaking and public policy. So LAMP fellows are mentored by a member of parliament. See, you'll be directly interacting with the government itself and work full time with assigned MP in a given year, starting from the monsoon session of the parliament till the end of budget session. The primary role of LAMP Fellow is to provide extensive research and support to his or her MP for the parliamentary work. This includes drafting parliamentary questions to the MP. See, you will be indulging in such an exercise that you will be your questions will be put up in the parliament. So this is a very great thing, right? So preparing the MP speeches for 0 hour debates, raising matters of public importance, drafting private members bill, etc. So private members bill is nothing but a bill introduced from the opposition party or any other party apart from the government that is in power. So for example, if I give you, if you are allotted to a MP who is from a Congress, then he can introduce a bill in the parliament and you can help in introducing that parliament. So we will be engaging with the cabinet secretaries and the other secretary of different departments and ministries. So this is a very good opportunity. So when parliament is not in session, LAMP fellows engage with policymakers. See, if the parliament is not in session also, you will be engaging with the policymakers, experts from various think tanks, academicians from several leading universities, and leaders from diverse public institutions and workshops. So LAMP fellows also participates in field visits. See, what else do you need? You will be having complete type of exposure. It is like a field job. So let us see other details also. And during the intercession period for a practical exposure of the government at the ground level. So as you can see, this is the LAMP fellowship 2020-23. Application open last date is January 9th, so only 2 days is remaining. So I thought of making this video as soon as possible. So I'll let us discuss the other things, eligibility and selections. Okay, so LAMP fellowship is open to candidate who are 25 years or below. So final year students can also apply, any students can also apply. Candidate must have a bachelor's degree in any academic discipline. Only Indian citizens are eligible for LAMP. Okay, and for final students also, candidates are required to have at least bachelor degree to be eligible for LAMP. This means that candidates must have finished their bachelor degree before the fellowship begins. So see, the fellowship begins by summer. So till then you need to have your degree. So by then you'll have your degree, right? Because still it is of January. So the summer session starts most probably by May or June. So it may be in May. So by that you need to have your degree. So most probably you will be having your degree if you are in final year student. So your final year students can also apply. So what is the exact duration? The fellowship starts from middle of July. Yeah. So within this middle of July you need to have your degree with a rigorous 1 month long training. The fellowship will be assigned to the respective MP during the monsoon session of the parliament and will continue to the MP till the end of the budget session. So it will be a for 1 year fellowship program. So what opportunities are available? So you'll have all type of opportunities to see. If you have joined the civil servants as in IAS and IFS also, so before joining itself you'll have a certain type of exposure towards the government. So you can see there are some who have continued to work with members of parliament, and few have joined their multilateral institutions like World Bank, foreign embassies, etc. What else can you require? Because it have also engaged with World Bank and foreign embassies, so it is a very good job. Okay, so what is the average number of work? See, the fellows requires full-time commitment. So you have to work like a normal people. Okay, and will there be training? Yes, 1 month of training will be provided. So and the location. see, this is also important. Fellows are usually in New Delhi for the duration of fellowship. However, keeping the health and safety in mind, some fellows will be working remotely this year. So for 2022-23 fellowship will be based in Delhi, but they will be working remotely. So there is an option. So if you're from a southern state or any other state which is far away from Delhi, then you can put a request that you have to work from your state itself. So it is an opportunity. So I'm an outstanding outstation candidate. Well, any facility for accommodation will be provided. The responsibility of arranging accommodation in Delhi rests with SLAM fellow. So yes, the accommodation is present. So don't worry about that also. And the payment is, will I receive a stipend during fellowship? Yes. LAM fellows receive a stipend of 20,000 per month during the course of fellowship. So 20,000 rupees is will be provided with accommodation and food. So this is guaranteed. So if you are in, and other things are also mentioned here. So I will put this link in the description box, and you can see the complete details for this and application. There is no fees for this, so you'll be having a payment of 20,000 with house and food. Okay, the food is almost subsidized in the parliament. It will be available at very low rate also. So these are the complete picture that has been provided. So if you are interested in these kind of fellowship programs to work with the government of India and to engage with all the IAS and IFS officers, then you have a golden opportunity for you all. So this was a quick update. So only 2 days are remaining. If you wish to apply, you can apply for this. So please share this with your friends. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you.